back to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. So in this video I'm just gonna show you this tutorial. So I'm not just gonna show you a whole face makeup look, but I'm just gonna show you this cut crease eye makeup look which I created. So this is for beginners who don't know how to do a cut crease look, but it's gonna be very easy. It's gonna take like 2 to 3 steps only just to create this whole eye look, and it's gonna look really very beautiful. So yeah, let's get started with this look.
So let's get started with this. I'm using this concealer which is from Olivia, and I'm just gonna use it on my eyelids because I'm gonna start my makeup with my eyes. So after doing that, I'm just gonna apply the compact. I'm just dabbing it on my eyes. So now quickly I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Like, I do have a tutorial for this as well, so you can check that out on my channel as well. So now you can see the difference between these both of the eyebrows. So now I'm just gonna take my Savannah blush palette. From this I'm gonna take this pink color and I'm gonna apply this at the outer side of my eyes. I'm not gonna apply this on my eyelids right now, but I'm just gonna apply it as my crease color. You can see that. I'm just gonna put up pressure to the back point, you can see. And I'm using this random brush, and this is a blending brush, so I'm using this. Same I'm gonna do with the other eyes as well. So now I'm just gonna take the same brush but without any product on it. I'm just gonna blend whole color. Now I'm taking my Fit Me foundation with the shade number 220, not 220, 230 natural buff. So I'm just gonna take it on a brush and I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids because it's a cut crease look. So I'm just cutting my eyelids like crease. I'm making a crease on it. So this is really very simple to do. You can see that how I'm doing it right now. So same I'm just gonna repeat on the other eye as well. Now I'm gonna take a compact and then I'm just gonna dab it on because I don't want that it should crease while I'll apply any kind of a color on it. So I'm just packing it up. So now I'm just gonna take this Jaclyn Hill palette. From this I'm gonna take this maroonish reddish kind of a glitter color. It's not a chunky glitters, but it's kind of a fine glitter color. So I'm just gonna apply this on that area where I had cut creased my eyes. So I'm just applying it. You can see that I'm just dragging it, and then I'm just gonna pack it on my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go like above my eyelids a little bit, not very much, but a little bit because I wanted that pink thing going on. So I'm just gonna take that same Savannah palette. I'm just gonna take that color, so that that pink color, because I wanted to merge both of the colors, like that pink and that red as well. I don't want that they both of them look different from each other. So I'm just doing right now. You can see that it's really very easy to do. It's not a very difficult task. So the same pink color I'm just gonna take on my lower lash line, and I'm just buffing it up like I'm just dragging it randomly on my eyelids. You can see that I'm just blending and building it up. So you just have to repeat the steps like 2 to 3 times. Now I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner quickly. I'm using Lotus eyeliner because that was my favorite one. So I'm just using that quickly. You can see that I do have a separate I like tutorial for this as well, eyeliner tutorial. You can check that out on my channel. So yeah, that's how I used to apply my winged eyeliner. It's really very easy to do as well. Now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. It's really very important if you wanted to show your like eyelashes bigger or voluminous, like that way. And I'm gonna apply my Oudbo highlighter. It's a really very creamy kind of a highlighter which I love. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners as well with the same random color from that Oudbo highlighter. Now I'm just gonna be back after doing my whole makeup. You can see that this is my whole makeup.
So yeah everyone, this is my final look. If you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Bye, see you next video.